What are the chances of plus verbing is used to ask how often or in what case would a particular thing happen. Examples. What are the chances of getting a good score from the test? What are the chances of making more money in this project? What are the chances of having many orders for our cakes? What are the chances of getting pregnant immediately after the wedding? What are the chances of closing this deal at our asking price? What are the chances of having a healthy baby for older mothers? What are the chances of getting tickets for the Madonna concert? What are the chances of winning this game? What are the chances of getting a scholarship abroad? What are the chances of ending the relationship on peaceful terms?